he makes cosmetic changes in different heads of taxation or different expenditure. The budget is verbose, but on substance it's extremely low.
महिलाओं को एक कॉस्मेटिक महिला बैंक देकर अपने कर्तव्य की इतिश्री कर ली। युवा के लिए रोजगार के कोई अवसर सृजित करने की बात इस बजट में नहीं कही गई। एक अनइमेजिनेटिव, कल्पनाशीलता से विहीन, डल और उबाऊ बजट है।
We have both the BJP and the Congress with us. Girija ji, there was a lot of hope from the budget, but the budget doesn't seem to be offering anything. In fact, the BJP is calling it a lollipop budget.
No, it is not a lollipop budget. But in the present scenario, it is a very difficult time, not only for the India, but for the world also. And in that time,
I'll pick up the thread from Girija ji. It's a very difficult time, but thanks to UPA 1 and UPA 2. And he has brought the economy to such a level that country has no option but either have a very bad budget or a very bad budget. And this is a very bad budget.
Would you agree with that?
It is not a bad budget because there is no burden except the, some sort of relief to everybody. Except the direct and indirect taxes. Maybe we are not satisfied.
There is a phrase in Hindi, naach na jane aangan tela. So they don't know their job and they are blaming, when we were in the government, they were blaming us that we cannot run the government, and now that we are in opposition, we are not allowing them to. No. So either way,
that does seem to be a valid point, Girija ji.
At the same time, to take care of the poor is our aim of the Congress party and the UPA 1 and UPA 2. So BJP, they couldn't do anything, and that's why their India shining has gone.
जब हमारे गवर्नमेंट की, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत ज्यादा खराब है और काफी कुछ घाटा दिखाया है और जो कुछ घोषणाएं की हैं तो वो केवल हमें हवाई नजर आती है।
इतना किसान विरोधी बजट और मजदूर गरीब विरोधी बजट है, कहीं आप देख लीजिए, पूरा पढ़ के देख लीजिए और हिसाब लगा लीजिए, और जब तक कि किसान संपन्न नहीं होगा देश कभी संपन्न नहीं हो सकता।
If there is an expenditure squeeze and people's purchasing power is being squeezed, investments cannot bring about growth because what is produced will only be not sold. So money being given to the rich, concessions being given to the rich are not flowing into productive investment because there is no market to sustain that productive investment.